Video tutorial to introduce the drama activities. This video was taken as a tutorial on how to apply discussed drama techniques in a classroom setting. Target audience and context is B1. Class size is 20 to 30. Class length is 50 minutes. And the topic is Hercules and ancient history. Warm-up. Magic Pawn. Players are divided into pairs. One player in each pair has a magic pawn that can hypnotize their partner. The magic pawn leads the partner through the space, the owner of the pawn constantly watching over their partner. After a couple of minutes, the players switch roles. Introduction of topic. Tell students they are going to get some pictures, Appendix 1, in order to predict what the lesson is about. Ask students to prompt some answers. Show a video on Stru. Have students just watch so they have a general idea about the video. Main task. Play a role. The teacher offers students a very short summary of the film. Students are invited to role play. The class is divided into 4 groups. Each group is invited to work together and do the task. Hercules is your deskmate. The groups come in front of the class and present the other groups their tasks. Post-task. The Angel and the Devil. Hercules is in a dilemma and needs to take a decision while sitting in a chair. 2 people representing thoughts from his head stand behind him and speak aloud in the first person singular. They advocate opposing views.